Understanding the valve cover gasket in your car. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating part of car mechanics that is crucial yet often overlooked: the valve cover gasket. Whether you're an English language learner with an interest in automotive vocabulary or just curious about car parts, this video is for you. Let's explore what a valve cover gasket is, its role in your vehicle, and why it's important. A valve cover gasket is a component of your car's engine. It's a type of seal that sits between the valve cover and the engine cylinder head. The valve cover is a metal lid found on the very top of the engine. Its main role is to prevent oil from leaking out of the engine and to keep dirt and debris from getting inside. The gasket ensures a tight seal, preventing oil leaks and protecting the engine's internal components. The importance of a valve cover gasket cannot be overstated. It plays a critical role in maintaining engine health. By preventing oil leaks, it ensures that the engine remains lubricated and operates smoothly. Protecting engine components, it keeps contaminants out, which can prolong the life of the engine. Ensuring efficiency, a well-sealed engine runs more efficiently, which can improve overall vehicle performance and fuel economy. Knowing when your valve cover gasket needs attention is key to preventing further engine issues. Here are some signs. Visible oil leaks. If you notice oil on the ground under your car or around the engine area, it might be due to a failing gasket. Engine overheating. A leak can lead to low oil levels, which might cause the engine to overheat. Unusual smells. A burning oil smell can indicate that leaking oil is burning off on the hot engine parts. Maintaining your valve cover gasket involves regular inspections. Check for signs of wear or oil leaks. Timely replacement. If you notice any issues, it's crucial to replace the gasket promptly to avoid further engine damage. Professional advice. Consult with a mechanic if you're unsure about the condition of your valve cover gasket. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this explainer video has shed some light on the valve cover gasket and its significant role in your car's engine. Understanding these components not only helps in learning English technical vocabulary but also empowers you to take better care of your vehicle. Remember, a little knowledge goes a long way in ensuring your car remains in top condition. Until next time, drive safely and keep learning.